Good afternoon, everybody. Let's quickly get started. Today is Friday, 20th of September, 2024, right? So we're expecting a high impact news on Canadian dollar. We don't have any high impact news on US dollar. We have on pounds that came 7 a.m. this morning. On pounds, 7 a.m. this morning. Also on Canadian dollar by 115 and 130. So we look towards some pairs like CAD-JPY, AUD card, VP card, and all that. So 3 high impact news coming up, which is the governor for Bank of Canada will speak. Also, we have core retail sales and retail sales on Canadian dollar. So let's go to the charts to see if we have any trading opportunity before we round up this analysis session. So as you all know, we start with USDX, which is dollar indices, and we start with daily time frame, which we are still seeing price at this level of support. We are still seeing price at this level of support level. Price at this support level. Okay. Also, we also have another major support here. Okay. So at this zone, we are seeing market sentiment at this level. So we are seeing market sentiment at this level, and the highest area I would love to see for price to break before we continue moving to the upside is here, right? So this is an external resistance that we need price to break. So just a moment, please. So this resistance is area I would love to see price break, and we've had series of double bottom formed around this level, series of double bottom around this zone. So if we look at 4 hours time frame, we would see that yesterday we had a rejection, but market is still trying to form some bullish sentiment. And there is something here that I saw that gives me another interest for probably we could have some bullish sentiment for some of this pair. Just a moment. For some of this pair like this. Okay, so 1 hour time frame. So for 1 hour time frame, I'd love to see a pullback of price around 100.275 region. Pullback of price around 100.275 region before we continue moving to the upside. So we'll wait for a retracement, then probably moving to the upside, because these are the highest zone that I would love to see. We can see some equilibrium here, here, and here. So I would love to see a proper retracement before I enter into the market. Okay, so having that, let's go to USD-CHF. So for USD-CHF, I'll be looking forward to some bullish sentiment also, because we have market at this level. So we have market at this zone, right? So we have 2 rejections at this level, 0.84091. So I'll be very, very bullish on USD-CHF. But, you know, if I say we should enter a buy now, we might literally have a long rope for possible retracement, right? So this level gives us a good room to buy USD-CHF. So I'm bullish on USD-CHF. I just need price to retrace to price could retrace down to 0.84790. On 15 minutes time frame, also the same thing, 0.84790 before we see potential buy for USD CHF. Okay, so that's that for USD CHF. I'm looking toward USD card. So daily time frame. So daily time frame. So daily time frame here also, I see a rejection at this A level. You can see price is able to break this level. So I would love to see a breakout. So I'm very, very bullish. Like I said, I'm bullish on USD card also, and depends on the Canadian news. What will happen, the news coming up on card might literally drop the market if it's a positive news for Canadian dollar, or if it is not, so we might literally see if Canadian dollar comes very weak, then we might literally see more bullish sentiment, right? So for USD card, we are still very, very much in this market, and so I've not seen an entrance, but I'll be very, very bullish based on what dollar indices is telling me. Okay, very, very bullish on USD card, but I've not seen an entry. Okay, for gold, gold has continued its bullish sentiment as we have. This is a sign of bullishness at this level, and at this zone, I would love to see a proper retracement before I enter into the gold market. I'd love to see a proper retracement before I enter into the gold market. Okay, so I'd love to see a proper retracement before I enter into this gold market at this zone. So 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. We still need a proper retracement because market is giving us a very, very solid entry. We could have a rejection because gold has gotten to its all-time high, right? So I'd love to see a proper retracement before I enter into the market, and that's just a minute, please. Can you all see my screen now? So, and with this formation I saw, hopefully it might still continue, but I'm not a fan of buying at resistance. So I'm not going to give us an entry now for gold, okay? Buying at resistance is not a good one. So I'm looking towards a proper retracement before we move into the market. So let's keep on gold. Okay, so that's that on gold. So the last one I'll do before we round up, my highs are on AUD card. I'm watching AUD card. So I've been watching AUD card since yesterday, and I hope to see probably a sell scenario. So probably we could give a signal on AUD card. We dropped like 6 signals this week, and we had only one loss, and the rest has been very, very profitable. So let's look at AUD card. We shouldn't forget that also we have a news, but my technical analysis is telling me that we are at a very, very strong reversal point, and market has shown us a reversal pattern. So once I'm done with AUD card, I'm going to round up for today. Okay, so AUD card. So AUD card, we've seen market at this resistance. you've seen market at this resistance, right? And we had a solid rejection. Market was unable to break that level. So on 4 hours time frame as well, we have two strong resistance created at this level, right? So I would say selling AUD card would not be a bad idea. But the only thing I'm looking at is that we are having a news in the next 40 minutes or the next 30 minutes. So I think a sell stop order is not going to be a bad idea for AUD card. So a sell stop is not going to be a bad idea for AUD card. So a sell stop is not going to be a bad idea for AUD card. So let's see the pips gap before we make our decisions. Let me see. Okay, so about 30 pips, and we risk about 30 pips as well. So AUD card, I would have said we should enter now, but there is a Canadian news coming up. So we are going to use a sell stop order. I'm going to drop this signal on the funded client group. So if you have not funded with PayU Prime, I would have said, I'm saying that you are losing a whole lot of opportunity, right? You are losing a whole lot of opportunity for being profitable in the with us. So AUD card, we here also the stop loss. So sell stop AUD card. Sell stop at 0.92243. TP 0.91953. SL 0.92477. So that is that for AUD card. We're having a sell stop order. I'm dropping it in the group right away. AUD card, we're having a sell stop order and all that. Okay, so thank you very much, everybody. Today is Friday, so there are not much events coming up. The only event we are expecting is for the Canadian dollar. Okay, that's the only event we are expecting, which is for the Canadian dollar. Okay, so that is that. I'm dropping this signal AUD card. AUD card. Sell stop. AUD card. SL 0. Look, sell stop at 0.92243. SL 0.92477. Then our TP, our peak profit is at 0.91953. Okay, so that's all for now. We shall give in a direct signal, but we are waiting for the news coming up by 1:15. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.